School is over. I am going home. Oh. A little puppy. Why are you alone? Poor little puppy. You have a tag. Let's find your owner. This address is nearby. We can go together. Come with me, little friend. We will find your home. Look! A red ball. Do you want to play? Good puppy. You like to play. This is fun. Are you tired? Don't worry. Your home is close. This is the house. Maybe this is your home.
Oh, my puppy. Oh, thank you. I've missed you so much. Woof, woof. I missed you. Oh, I missed you too, my sweet boy.
Thank you for your help. You are very kind. You're welcome. I am happy to help.
That's great.
The puppy is my new friend.
He's so cute.
I am home now. What a happy day! Mom! Daddy! I helped a lost puppy today. The puppy was sad and alone. I took him to his owner. They were so happy.
Hi friends, did you like our story? Please like the video, subscribe to the Steady Mind channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you, see you next time.